Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Node, JS LTS, and a Java JDK because React Native relies on them. Once done, install VS Code and choose React Native CLI or Expo CLI depending on your needs. Make sure Android Studio or Xcode is configured so you can run emulators. This avoids runtime surprises. Open VS Code, install the React Native Tools extension, and create a new project now so you can move straight into editing and debugging without extra delays. Once your project exists, open it in VS Code and install extensions like React Native Tools and ESLint to speed development and enforce quality. Use the integrated terminal to run npx React Native Run Android or Run iOS, or type Expo Start for managed apps. This launches the packager and emulator. Make sure Fast Refresh is enabled so UI updates reflect instantly, and set breakpoints in the editor. Then inspect components with React DevTools to understand state and props while you iterate. To finish, generate release builds via Gradle or Xcode and test on real devices to validate performance and permissions. Make sure to update app identifiers and signing keys. Use a dblogcat or the Xcode console plus Metro Bundler logs to trace runtime issues and profile if animations stutter. If something breaks, first clear caches and reinstall Node modules because dependency mismatches are frequent. If that fails, rebuild native projects and verify environment variables so your toolchain is consistent across machines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.